Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a local account on Windows 11 quickly and safely. First, open the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings. If you want a faster method, you can press Windows I to open it directly. When the Settings window appears, select Accounts from the list on the left. Then, find and click on Other Users. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts on your computer, including the local account you want to delete. To delete the account, locate the account in the list, click on it, and select Remove. A warning dialog box will pop up to confirm your action. The dialog box will ask if you want to delete the account along with all related data. Keep in mind that deleting an account will permanently remove all data stored in that account, including files on the desktop, the Documents folder, and personal settings. If you're sure, click Delete Account and Data to proceed. Once completed, the local account will be fully removed from your computer. Please note that if the account is currently signed in or is the primary administrator account, you won't be able to delete it. In such cases, create another administrator account before performing this action. And that's how you can delete a local account on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Easy Tech Steps channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.